Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to use the AI filters feature on Dreamface AI. Start by opening the Dreamface AI app on your device. Ensure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features seamlessly. On the home screen, scroll through the options until you find AI filters. Tap on it to get started. Now, you'll be prompted to either upload an existing photo from your gallery or take a new picture using your camera. Choose a clear, well-lit photo for the best results. Once your photo is uploaded, you'll see a variety of AI filters to choose from. These filters can transform your image with different artistic effects, color enhancements, and creative styles. Scroll through the options and select the one you like best. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, tap the Apply button to process the image with the selected filter. After the filter is applied, preview your edited image. If you're happy with the result, tap Download to save it to your device or share it directly on your favorite social media platforms straight from the app. And that's how you use the AI filters feature on Dreamface AI.